Bug Hearts by Charlotte Gillane. Meet the bugs. There are many different types of bugs. Bugs have different body parts: head, legs, bodies. Spiders have two body parts: 1, 2. Insects have three body parts: 1, 2, 3. Bugs do not have backbones. Some bugs have shells. Shell. Legs. Insects have 6 legs. Legs. Spiders have 8 legs. Millipedes have many legs. Legs. Worms have no legs. Wings. Some bugs have wings. Wings. Bugs use their wings to fly. Some bugs use their wings to scare birds away. Some bugs use their wings to hide. Antennae. Some bugs have antennae. Antennae. Bugs use antennae to feel, taste, and smell. Antennae. Stings and bites. Some bugs can sting. Stinger. Some bugs can bite. Centipedes bite with claws. Claws. How big? Look at how big some of the bugs in this book can be. Moth. Ladybug. Millipede.